finally makes this month. I'm really excited. You have seen all but one of them. So I'm going to save that one you haven't seen for last so that you have something to look forward to, basically. But we are going to jump right in because there's a bunch. First things first, I finally have come to the end of my sort of obsession with the little baby doll dress. You guys saw this, well, you saw the pink version, and then you saw this version. Pattern number still evades me. It is in the description box. But this one was made from a tablecloth, remember? And then I did my pattern review and told you that I lengthened it to the knee, and then I thought that it was too long, so I shortened it. So finally, it is at a length that I am happy with. I posted a photo of the finished length on Instagram. I'll insert that right here, so you can see what that looks like. But after making the pink one and then remaking the yoke of the pink one and then making this one and then altering the hem of this one, I'm over it. So you guys will not see this pattern for a while, like maybe ever. But I've got two really great little dresses from it. They are so cute, so comfy, so easy, so breezy. No waistbands. Again, we're continuing on with the no waistband 2020. It's the year without the waistband. So that's what this is. And it's like a refashion because I used a Target tablecloth. How cool is that? I keep telling people though, like when I saw Dan, I was wearing it and he was like, oh, is that a new dress? And I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, does it look like something? And he's like, what are you talking about? It looks like a dress. And I'm like, well, I made it from a tablecloth. Do you think it looks like a tablecloth? And he said no. And my friends, I asked them, they said they didn't think it looked like a tablecloth either. So a win. Then I made 4 irises. So you guys saw, hopefully, Iris Week was last week, where each day, Monday through Thursday, I posted a new iris. So we've got, and the iris is a t-shirt pattern from Forget Me Not Patterns. It has 4 different sleeve lengths and 1 neckline, a crew neckline. But it's kind of like fitted and shapely and cute. So this is like the shirt as it is. This is like the little standout detail, the sleeve. So I made the first one in a mustard yellow. Also, I was nervous about mustard yellow, but I get more compliments on me wearing this color than a lot of other colors. So I think I did good in picking one that was a little bit more marigold, a little bit deeper, richer, so my skin tone can handle it. It's not like a yellow, but it's still yellow. So there was this one, super cute. I've worn this a gajillion times. Then there was this teal one that I've also worn a gajillion times. I used the regular short sleeve on this, but I hacked a tie front. Super fun. And if you want to learn how to do any of these hacks, they're all in the videos from last week. So go check those out. I also made a swing dress, which is like this. It's just kind of like a wide trapeze dress, but I made the sleeve, the 3/4 pleated sleeve. This is the best way to show it. The 3/4 pleated sleeve, which is really, really nice. So again, super comfortable, easy breezy, no waistband again. This one actually does have a waistband, but it's like empire waist, it's higher. So it's like a cheater waistband. But again, I did the pleated short sleeve and I hacked it into a elastic waist with a super wide 2-inch elastic, which I think really elevates the elastic waistband dress. I'm over those little 1/4-inch itty bitty waistbands. No more. I think I'll never go lower than 1/2 inch now. Probably. I guess depending on the fabric. If it were super lightweight fabric, maybe I'd go with the lighter weight elastic, especially because Stylemaker Fabrics has that incredible lightweight elastic now. So, okay, maybe I'm just getting ahead of myself and being dramatic with the elastic, but I do like this super wide 2-inch elastic on this one. So this whole series, this whole project was so fun to work on. It really allowed me to kind of like think outside the box with design, but also it allowed me to sew with a knit that I actually like. So up until this point, the only knits that I've really enjoyed were double brush poly, which is super hot and you cannot wear it in the summer, or not comfortably anyways. And then things like, oh God, I don't even know, sweater knits, you know, things like that. But in terms of like a basic knit, like I guess probably because I got so many rayon jerseys that I just hate. I will never sew with rayon jersey. I don't like to sew with it, and I don't like to wear it. Maybe that's unpopular opinion, but that's how I feel. So all of these are cotton jerseys of some kind, either 100% cotton or some kind of cotton spandex mashup. And so they've been really great to work with, and I'm excited because now and this t-shirt pattern too is just a great basic. So I think that I'll be able to just use this t-shirt pattern always for all my t-shirts, which will be great. And now that I found some cotton knits that I really like, I'll be able to order up some of those and just really kind of expand upon a t-shirt aspect of my wardrobe, which I'm just wearing a lot more of these days. I mean, throwing on a t-shirt is kind of the equivalent of what I used when I used to just throw on dresses. So super excited about that. But the moment you've been waiting for, I finished my Jenny overall shorts. So if you remember, I chose this fabric, right? Remember? Floral, pastel-y, stretch denim that I got in New York City. And here they are. So cute. Trying to show you the whole thing. So cute. So I decided to do grommets and tie the ties. They're too long now, but I wanted to make sure I had enough length before I just chopped them off. I did the double zipper installation. So I've got zippers on both sides, making it super easy to get on and off. I did snaps for this closure because I don't love my buttonhole maker as it is on my machine. And I just knew with all of these layers in this little itty bitty tab that it wasn't gonna go well. So I'd rather use like a hammer and get something on there nice and sturdy. I added the bib like I did to the other pair that I have. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to draft this for yourself. I did the little slash pocket. I did the back pocket. I did the 2-inch hem on the short. And you guys, this is a bold statement that I'm about to make, but this is one of my favorite things that I've ever made. Maybe top 5. Top 5 favorite things I've ever made. I love the fabric. I love the fit. I love how comfortable it is. It's good. It is really good. So good, in fact, that I want to make another pair of the shorts version, but I keep telling myself, you're 38 years old. Like, how many pairs of overalls should a 38-year-old have? I posted a picture of me wearing it into my Patreon group with the Hemsiders, posing that same question, and they said, one for every day of the week seems normal to me. So they're encouraging me to make more. But I have all of this like denim that I had purchased when I thought that I was going to be making jeans. And now that I think that I'm just not going to make jeans because A, I don't really love wearing jeans, and B, like I can't ever find some that look that good on me. It's a lot of work to make jeans that fit really well for me. I would rather spend that time going to Goodwill and just buying a pair for $5 and wearing it until they don't fit anymore because my body's fluctuating, and then just go buying another $5 pair. That's how that's how I feel about jeans right now. But I do want to make another pair of these because it's like the quarantine version of a dress is overalls, right? I mean, it's all one piece, Granted, you do have to throw like a t-shirt on, but with this fabric, I throw on a white t-shirt or a gray t-shirt and I'm done. And it's all one piece. You don't have to worry about matching anything. You can throw on like casual sneakers all the way up to like dressier shoes and it looks cute. You can go run errands in it, like you can go to Target in it, but you can also go on a date in it. It's like everything I love about dresses, but quarantine version because it has a crotch. Right? 2020, everything has a crotch. Everything I'm wearing has a crotch. I'm not doing skirts hardly. I'm not doing dresses hardly. So yeah, that's why I think I want a gajillion of these, because I can see myself wearing them in the fall. And the shorts version more so than the pants version, because the pants version you have to wear like a platform or some kind of heel. I don't want to do that. So if I make the shorts version, I can wear sneakers and then it's like the best. So I will be doing like a full pattern review, a full reveal of this whole outfit sometime in September, maybe middle of September, but it's really good. Really, really good. And I'm actually so sad that you guys cannot get this fabric because it is adorable, but I'll do my best to find something comparable for you. But that is it. Those are the things that I made in August. And they're all really good. This is probably one of my most successful months, like through and through, that I've had in a long time. A lot of times I make things and they're either just like too specific, like just for like one occasion, or I'm only going to be able to wear them to this place or that place. Or I'll make something and I just don't love it. This month, everything is a love. The only thing, and I'm going to just be real with you guys here, the only thing I don't love is this. And it's a strong like. It's just not a love. And I think it's because it's just charcoal gray. I think once I start styling it, you know, put a little vest on, put some boots on, you know, try and cuten it up a little bit, it'll elevate it for me. But right now it's just a little bit plain. So we'll work on that. But strong like, but everything else is a big fat love. So that is great. That is really great. You guys know that those of you that sew a bunch and just kind of like crank through things, you know they're not all winners. And that's okay, because we're still producing something that someone will enjoy, right? But so that is my August. Those are my August makes. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. And as always in the makes videos, if you guys made something that you love and you want to brag about it, put a link in the comments, DM me, tag me, send it to me somehow so that I can see what you guys have been working on as well. But that is going to do it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.